Hi guys, welcome back to Feelunique. My name is Grace Victory and I'm a Feelunique ambassador. I am a speaker, creator, writer, and I'm massive on self-care, on healing, on self-love. And today I'm here to let you all know about Feelunique's new Treat Yourself box, which will be launching at the beginning of Feb for their self-love month. The box is a gorgeous collection that's been created with self-care, self-love and you time in mind. £3 made from each box will be given to Feelunique's partner charity, which is Mind. I'm big into self-love and I think that February is a great time to really hound in on that and for all of us to take a little step back and to be a bit more mindful with our choices, with our routines, and make sure we're really looking after ourselves in terms of mind, in terms of body, spirit, everything. So the box, it looks like this. Inside we have a little flip up card that talks about the 5 ways to really look after your well-being. So cute. One of the ways is connect with someone, and it gives you like a list of ways you can do that. We have a deep sleep spray. This is my favorite product for sleep ever. I have like the full size versions. I've got like 5 of them. It smells amazing and it takes the edge off when you're maybe having some anxiety or you just can't switch off and you're just scrolling through Twitter. This is a really good product. We have a few skincare products. We have a Ormavixa deep cleansing mask. I mean, if you know me, I'm big on face masks. I personally like doing face masks on my T-zone, which is the area that I tend to get clogged pores, breakouts, especially on my chin. Hormonal breakouts, period breakouts are always clustered around here, and I get a really oily forehead. I have the Elemis shower cream. Then another product is the Origins high potency Nitamins mineral enriched night cream. Apply a layer before you go to sleep, wake up, and your face will be glowing. And we also have a Hello Joe eye masks. These are the bright jelly masks, which I have used previously. These make your under eyes a lot brighter and less puffy. You know, when you've woken up after a good night's sleep or a bad night's sleep and your eyes are looking a bit heavy, these are good just to lift them. And then the last 2 products, which are possibly my favorite, we have a vegan vanilla chai, oh my God, vanilla chai and amber bath bomb. Everyone loves a bath bomb and I'm massive on baths. If you like baths, follow me on Instagram because I do ritual baths, so very spiritual baths with intention behind. I use natural products, essential oils, things like that. So I'm massive on baths. And then we have the Neon Tranquility scented candle, and this is a candle for sleep. People often forget how important sleep is. For me, notice a massive difference when I've had less sleep than I usually have. I need to have like 8 to 10 hours a night. No joke. This is to help you kind of ease off, relax, bring your mind back down, ground you for bed. And I'm very excited about this. So yeah, that is Feelunique's latest venture for the month of February. The box will be linked in the description box. Don't forget that £3 of the proceeds will go to Mind charity, which is a charity that focuses on mental health for everyone. With that being said, I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye!